Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to place text behind you in a video on Capcut. So here you just need to add the clip that you want and go straight to text and add the text that you want. Okay, I'm going to just add a random text. Okay, you can change the style to the one you want. Click on a check icon and then I'm going to set the text for whole clips. Okay, here after that you can just export the video. Okay, so when it's done, just click on done and then start a new project with the video that you just saved and also the original video. Click on add and here make the original video as overlay. Okay, put it under the first video like this. Now click on the overlay video and go to cutout and just remove its background. So after you remove the background, now the text will be placed behind you. Okay, so just click on a check icon and that will be it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.